My fellow Filipinos, I speak to you today as a Filipino who has dedicated my life to public service and loved this country too much to stay silent. I once believed our nation was finally rising, only to see corruption pull it back down again. Our people are struggling. Prices are high. There is flooding everywhere, and billions are being lost to corruption. This flood control scandal is the biggest corruption scheme I have witnessed in my entire life, having seen 8 presidents lead this nation. This is an obvious, well-orchestrated scheme created by this administration to exploit the country's national budget for personal gain. The floods have only worsened during Marcos Jr. administration. Why? Because there was never a master plan for flood control. Only scattered projects approved anywhere and everywhere, without coordination, flood mapping studies, or honesty. Worse, our farmers' crops keep getting destroyed because a dike meant to protect the river failed. Family homes continue to be washed away by flash flood, and our children, the poor, and the entire nation is paying this price. The BBM administration has invested ₱500 billion in flood control alone. More than 9,800 flood control projects have been built. But why do the floods keep getting worse? Let us speak plainly. Public funds are not released easily. There is a process, and at the very top of that process sits one man, the President of the Republic of the Philippines. Every year, before Congress sees any line item, the President reviews and approves the National Expenditure Program, the NEP. That is the master plan of where our money will go. Without his signature and approval, it cannot move forward. The Department of Budget and Management, or DBM, then prepares and releases the funds with the President's approval. The Department of Public Works and Highways, DPWH, who also takes orders from the President, implement the project. These are not independent agencies. They follow the President's direction and instruction.